friends, to some things to discuss about our village, the difference between village and cities. Villages are very neat and cleansed and help us to each other's peoples, and they are friendly, and they also helps, and they are very hardworking, and village members are very hardworking and interesting to works, uh, new works produced every day, and there are many uh, farmers farmers in village farmer in village, and there are beautiful plants and trees and grasslands, big grasslands, and this likes a very beautiful, airs are very clean, surroundings are very neat and clean. This is a bright rainbows are to brightings to color, this is to see very beautiful. And it is not to discuss about cities. Cities is very advanced and digital, and all peoples are not help us to each others, all peoples are busy to our daily works, and no any hard workings, they are also lazy. Cities people are very lazy and very full, very crazy, and they were not interested in village. And cities are very useful, and these are and there are everything's available, but all things are very branded to buy, all things to money. But village is not all things to buy about money, but naturally flowers, vegetables to eat, and they keeps us healthy, and this is depend on you. And villages village peoples and village children are very attractive, and they were every day playing crickets in the big ground field, and looks like a very beautiful rabi crops and kharif crops and trees, and very neat and clean, and very lovely this nice village. And cities are very night times looking very beautiful, and colors and beautiful houses and colors of lights to looks very nice. But village is some men of use houses of lights, and they also travels in road. But cities peoples and citizens are they live in the room, they live it also in a room, they live in also in a room, and in